Hello. The last time I did this with a regular digital video camera thing. And now I'm using the lovely little eyesight in my Mac computer. And I'm back home and I have a kitty, and isn't he cute? Yogi I am. He says, "Why you do this to me? I thought you loved me. I am a kitty. Don't you love me, please?" I do love you. Mwah. He's my kitty. And he's about 3, maybe 4 years old. I don't recall. There's Adam. So cute. But I just wanted to make this short little video of my cat because I am glad that I'm home, and I'll be home for the rest of the weekend. But yeah. Mwah. He doesn't like me when I kiss him. But I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.